Occasionally, my father came to take me home, and I would always ask him to treat me to a special fruit cocktail at a juice center near the club. Sometimes Sachin's father came to Shivaji Park for pick up Sachin. On the way, Sachin asked his father to treat him a fruit cocktail at a juice center. What is cocktail? Cocktail means a mixed drink, which is a combination of fruit juice, lemonade, flavor syrup or cream. While this regular demand was a little unreasonable, because at the time I did not realize that my parents also had to take care of the needs of my brothers and sister, my father would invariably end up giving me what I wanted just to see me happy. Even Sachin's this regular demand was unreasonable. Regular demand means daily coming time. He was asking his father to give him cocktail. So even Sachin's this regular demand was unreasonable. He did not realize. Sachin did not realize that his parents had to take care of his brothers and sister. But Sachin, whatever asked his father, he gave him. On other days, when I made my way home from Shivaji Park on my own, I would often fall asleep on the bus if I managed to sit down. In some days, when he returned home alone from Shivaji Park, he had fallen asleep on the bus if he got a seat. In the bus, if he got a seat, he would fall asleep on the bus. Anyone who has been on a Mumbai bus at peak hours will know just how difficult it is to get a seat. The people who has been on Mumbai bus at peak hours, they only come to know how it is very difficult to get a seat on Mumbai bus. On days when I wasn't so lucky, it was still a challenge just to stand with the kit bag. Kit bag means what? Cricket accessories keeping bag. Because the bus conductors would inevitably complain about me taking up the space of another passenger. On days when I wasn't so lucky, it was still a challenge. What was a challenge to him? To stand in the bus with a kit bag. Because the bus conductor scolded him, he occupied another's place. Because he had a bag with him. His bag occupied another space in the bus. It could be embarrassing. Embarrassing means shameful to him. Because the conductors were often rude and would sometimes ask me to buy 2 tickets. Why he felt shame means the conductors were behave very rudely and they asked him to buy 2 tickets. One for him, another one for his kit bag. I didn't have the money for a second ticket, but Sachin did not have money for buy a second ticket, and I had to learn to take these remarks in my stride. Stride means what? A step forward in his aim. He never mind those kind of remarks in his aim. He never mind those kind of remarks in his development. Dirty clothes often added to the embarrassment. The conductor scolded only not his embarrassment. His dirty clothes also added to his shameness. With time, I evolved. Evolved means develop gradually. I evolved a way of wrapping. Wrapping means covering the kit bag around me. He kept his bag covering around him. Just as the helmet and pads became a part of me while batting, so the kit bag became an extension of me on the bus. When he was batting, he wore pads and helmet. But while he was traveling, the kit bag became an extension to him on the bus. Extension means what? Extra large. That means extra fitting to him on the bus. This was very difficult to him. I would often take the bus or train from Bandra to Churchgate, and it was all a great learning experience. What was a great learning experience to Sachin? Travel from Bandra to Churchgate by train or bus. This was a great learning experience to Sachin. Okay children, now recall the passage. Sometimes Sachin's father came to Shivaji Park for pick up Sachin. On the way, Sachin asked his father to treat him a fruit cocktail at a juice center. Even Sachin's this regular demand was unreasonable. He did not realize that his parents had to take care of his brothers and sister. But Sachin, whatever asked his father, he gave him. In some days, when he returned home alone from Shivaji Park, he had fall asleep on the bus if he got seat. Mostly, when he was traveling on bus at peak hours, it was a challenge to stand with the kickback because the bus conductors complained him to occupy others' place. Sometimes he felt shy because the conductors behaved rudely and asked him to buy 2 tickets. But Sachin did not have money for the second ticket. He never mind those kind of remarks in his development. His dirty clothes also made him feel ashamed. When he was batting, he wore pads and helmet. But during traveling time, his kit bag was extra fitting to him. Then, at last, what is given? Travel from Bandra to Churchgate was a great learning experience to Sachin. Okay, children. Now you understood this paragraph well. Now I am going to give you homework. Try to answer for this. Okay, children. I will meet in the next class. Till that, bye from you.